Hello student, good afternoon all of you. I hope you are fine. I Neeraj Khare as a GK teacher of your class 7th. So dear student, today start for the GK for some different chapter. So chapter is 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And so start for the page number 10 to 20. So first one start some important include for the chapter. First one, the magic of the word. The magic of the word. So include the chapter number 4, famous quotation, observation, idioms and the areas and word language. First one, the magic of word. Magic of word the included for the chapter of famous quotations, page number 10, page number 11, observation, page number 12, items and the errors, and page number 13, the word language. Second one, the world of books. Second one, the world of book. So included the is the Indian writer. The page number is 16. The world of the books. The world of the books included the chapter the Easter the Indian writers, and next one is a young scientist. Young scientist. So use of the first one is a computer virus. Second chapter is units, and third one is a life life saving machine. Life saving machine, and next one is India Ultimate. Indian India Ultimate. India Ultimate is uses of the first one part of national park and sanctuaries. National park and sanctuaries. So the page number is 20 and chapter number is 14. So dear student, first one is start the magic of world. The chapter first, the famous quotation. Famous quotation is page number 10. Famous quotation, it means you are understand overall well. So famous quotations, we start for the first one is chapter famous quotation. So there have been many great people in this world. There have been many great pupils in this world. They are remembered even today by their noble deeds and words of wisdom. So dear students, the whose quotation are these? Take help from the clues and write their name. So dear student, first one, be quotations. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the minds of the present moment. Whose quotation? You understand whose quotations? Lord Buddha. First one you answer Lord Buddha. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the minds of the present moment. Presents movements. The Lord Buddha with the quotations. Second one, there are only two ways to live your life. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as the so that nothing is miracle. The other is the thought that everything is the miracle. What do you mean the miracle? Can you understand what the miracle? Who's the thought? Yeah, who's the quotation? Albert Einstein. Your answer is Albert Einstein. There are only two ways to live your life. One is us thought the nothing is miracle. The other is through the everything is miracle. So your answer is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. Third one. Third one. Third quotations. Yesterday is the history. Tomorrow is mystery. Tomorrow is a mystery. So today is a gift of God, which is why we call in the present. The quotation third one, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. So your answer is will any. Your answer is will canny. So third one and fourth quotation. Fourth quotation is do not go where the path may lead. Do not go where the path may be lead. Go interested where there is no path and leave a trail. Trail. Whose quotations? This quotation Ralph Ralph Waldo. Ralph Waldo Emerson. And the was fourth one, and yes, fourth one is to do not do not go where the path may be lead. Go in street where there is no path and leave trail. So your answer is allow wool to immersion. And fifth one, next is fifth one quotation. Fifth quotation, throughout life people maybe make you mad. Throughout life people maybe make you mad, descript you and treat you bad. Let let God deal with the thing they do. Case had in your heart will consume you too. Consume you too. Your answer is Will Smith. Your answer is Will Smith. Throughout the life, people may make you mad, descript you and treat you bad. So let God deal. Let God deal with the things they do. Case hate in your heart will consume you too. So your answer is Will Smith. And six is be yourself. Everyone is already taken. Be yourself, even when else in already taken. Your answer is Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde. And seventh one, in seventh quotation, you only live once. What if you do not write once is enough? You only live once. What if you do it right? Once is enough. Can you guess your answer? Your answer is seventh one. Your answer is May West. May West. And eighth quotation in and pregnant beauty meant you genius, and it is a better to be obviously ridiculous than obsessively growing. So your answer your answer Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe is number 8. And your ninth quotation, ninth nine quotation, life is a dream for the wise, a game for the fool. Life is a dream for the wise. Life is a dream for the wise, a game for the fool, a comedy for the rich, a tragedy for the poor. Tragedy for the poor. So your answer is solemn elegance. Solemn elegance. And last one quotation is a page number 10. Live as if you were to the tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Dear student, life was a if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever? So your answer is Indian Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation. So it's called as the Mahatma Gandhi. So the famous quotation is, the quotation is very well to understand. So the chapter of page number 10 is complete, and next one is observation. Page number is 11. So the observation are short famous of word or the whereas there are the generally the Indian alphabet write the full form of the observation and the observed weight from the paras in given below. So the short form was first one is AAI. AAI is a full form of Airport Authorities of India. A for Airport, A for Authority of, I for India. So first one, your answer is AAI, Airport Authority of India. Second one is Air, AIR. Air is a full form of AIR, A for all, I for India, R for radio. All Indian India Radio. All India Radio. Third one is BCCI. You're very interested and important for the life of the cricket is a game and sports. BCCI. V for board of, C for cricket and C for control in India. Board of Cricket Control Board in India. And fourth one is a full form of Central Bureau of Investigation. So write the short form. So Central for C, Bureau for V, and investigation for I. So the short form of CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. And so fourth is complete, and fifth is the Central Board of Secondary Education. Central Board of Secondary Education is a short form. Central for C, board for B, secondary for S, education for E. So short form is CVSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. And sixth one, CPWD. CPWD, so it is full form. C for Central, P for Public, W for Work, and D for Department. Central Public Work Department, CPWD. So answer is C for Central, P for Public, W for Work, and D for Department. And seventh one, DRDO. DRDO is a full form of D for Defense, R for Research, and D for Department, and O for Organization. Defense Research and Development Organization. And eighth one, geostationary launch vehicle. Geostationary launch vehicle is a short form GSLV. GSLV. And ninth one, Indira Gandhi National Open University is alphabetical order. Capitals letters are used for the full form, short form, and full form. So Indira Gandhi National Open University is short form and name is IGNOU. Is a short form for IGNOU. I for India, G for Gandhi, N for National, O for Open, U for University. Simple. Short form in IGNOU. INIGNOU is a IGNOU. Next one is 10th, Indian Institute of Management. Indian Institute of Management, IIM. I for Indian, I for Institute, And M for management is a full form of Institute of Management and short form of IIM. And next one, Indian Institute of Technology is a full form of Indian Institute of Technology is short form of IIT. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. Next one is short form IMD. Short form of IMD. IMD, Indian Meteorological Department. I for Indian, M for Meteorological, D for Department. Next one is INSAT. INSAT is INSAT. I for Indian, N for National, S for Satellite for Technology. And next one is ISRO. ISRO. I for Indian, S for Space, R for Research, and O for Organization. Indian Space Research Organization. Next one is ONGC. 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 ONGC means Oil and Natural Gas Commission. Oil and Natural Gas Commission. And next one is permanent account number. Already use of your father and family members for the PAN card. So permanent account number is short form PAN means PAN. And next one is 17 number is public sector unit. Public sector unit PSU, P for public, S for sector, and U for unit. 18 number public work department is a PWD. PWD. So public works department. 19 number research and analysis wing. Research and analysis wing. R for research is a short form. R for research, A for analysis, and W for wing. And last one, SARC is short form of SARC, South Asian Association for Regional Corporation. So S for South, A for Asian, A for Association, and R for regionals, and C for corporation. So your 11 number of page complete is a short form and full form. And next one is a page number of page number of 12 items and areas. So in Indian is a group of work established by the using as a having of the meaning different form of those of the individual word. Different from those of the individual word. A phrase is the group of the grammatically connected word with these the sentence. So there are two group A and B. So first side is left side is numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6, and your answer for the right side to A B C D and E. So there are given of the two columns A and B. So match the following. First one is a foot in the door. Foot in the door. So your answer for the G is small got start with the possibility for bright future. Foot in the door. Foot in the door. It means the answer. Your answer is G. Small good start with the possibility for the bright future. Small good start with the possibility for bright future. Go great gun. Go great guns. Your answer is L. The being the successful. Being the successful. And third one. Third, flying start. Flying start for your answer is I. Something that is the immediately successful. Something that is the immediately successful. Your answer is I. And fourth one is a make a go of. Your answer is O. The succeeding in your enterprises. Succeeding your enterprises, which mean make a go of. So your answer, it means your answer is succeeding in your enterprises. Your fifth, go to the dogs. Go to the Go to the dogs. So your answer is C. The having less success than before. Having less success than before. Your sixth one, go up in smoke. Is your go in up smoke. Your beautiful is meaning for the number of n and something that ends before getting a result. Something that ends before getting a result. Your answer is n. And next one is 7. Live on the bread line. Bread line, live on the bread line. Your answer is H. Answer your H. Having very little income. Heavy will heavy having a very little income. Your answer is H. Live on the bridles is having very little income. And number 8. The make or break. It means make or break. Your answer is Q. Answer is Q. The circumstance increasing the total success of the total run. June is number of 9. Let slip through the fingers. Let slip through the finger. Let slip through the fingers. The answer is A. Failing too often or keep up a good opportunity. And number 10. Rags to rich. Rages to rich. Rages to rich. Your answer is R. Answer is R. Your answer is R. The becoming very rich while the starting very poor. Becoming very rich while starting is very poor. And next one, the number of 11. On the pig back. On the pig's back. So your answer is M. To be in the process and the happy state. It means to be in the process and the happy state. And number 12. Smash hit. Hit. Your answer is P. Answer is P. The refer to music films which are very successful. And number 13. The Murphy's Law. Murphy's Law is your answer is B. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. And number 14. Sink or swing. Sink or swing. Your answer is K. Fail for the succeed. Fail or succeed. Succeed. Your answer number 15. Top dog. Your answer is D. Top dog. It means very successful group, company, person, and etc. Company, group, and etc. And number 16. Wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. Your answer is T. Your answer is T. Wooden spoon. Emergency prize for the last person in race. Emergency prize for the last person in race. Number 17. Have the world by its tail. Have the world by its tail. Your answer is E. A person who has destiny under control. A person who has destiny under control. And number 18. Live. Number 18. Live beyond means live beyond means live beyonds mean. Your answer is S. Your answer is S. Spending more money than you can afford. Spending more money than you can afford. And 90 number live is in the ability to tower. So your answer is J. Answer is J. A life aloft from the realities of living. And number 20. Hit the road running. Hit the road running. So your answer is F. Start performing immediately. Start performing immediately. So dear student, 12 page number is complete and page number is 13. We start the world language. The world language. The world language and the magic of the world. Many languages are spoken in the world. Many languages are spoken in the world, and analysis of the language so that they fall the under broad the categories called the language. Called the language. Many languages are spoken in the world, and analysis of the language so that they fall under broad the categories called the language families. So first of all, first one, answer the following. Take up the form the given clues. Some clues of the sign language, the Hammer, hieroglyphics, Sanskrit, English, Arabic, Sumerian, Hawaiian, and a Braille script. So, dear students, first one, the name the language with the most of the letter as a 17 four letters. So, your answer is K H M E R. Hammer. Is the, your answer? First one is Hammer. K H M E R. Hammer. And next one, name the language with the least letter is only 12 letter. First one is number of use of the letter 74, and second one is the use of the last one letter is only 12. So first one is 74 letter use of the hammer, and the name the language with the least letter only is 12 letter, only 12 letter. Hawaiian, Hawalian, Hawaiian. So your language second one is Hawaiian. A third one, name the language having the most of word. Most of word is the use of language. So name the language with the least, name the language having the most of word is English. Your language name is English. Third one is name of English. Name the language used by the deaf and the dumb pupil. Sign language. Name the language used by the deaf and the dumb pupil is sign language. And fifth one, use of the fifth one, name the language used by the blind for the reading and writing is a Braille script. Braille script. Use of the blind person will language uses for the name of the language is blind script. Sixth one, name and the ancient language that is the basis of the most Indian language is the Sanskrit. Sixth one, name the oldest language. Name the ancient language that is the basis of the most Indian language is Sanskrit. Seventh one, name the oldest language provide in writing. Providing and writing. Name the oldest language provide in writing. Sumerians. Sumerian. Umbrians. Next one. Name the oldest system of writing word picture. Writing word picture. Name the oldest system of the writing word picture is hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics. And last ninth number, the name the language that is the written from the right to left. Arabic. Right to left. Name the language that is the written for right to left is called Arabic. And name the most commonly used for word in English. The. The is the name the most common used word in English is the. And second one column of the world language match the these the language with the countries of which they are the official language, column A and B. So first one 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 number of countries. Your answer is A B C D E F G. So match the column. First one is English. English's answer is C. The United Kingdom. Arabic for the your second one is your Arabic match the column. So answer your is the F. F is the Saudi Arabia. And Hindi, and answer your H is in use of India. Japanese is your answer is V, Japan. German your answer is D, Germany. Sixth one is Russian. Sixth one is Russian. Russian your answer for G. Your answer is Russia. And seven one Italian. Your answer is Italy. And eight is Urdu. Is the example of Pakistan. So 1 2 3 as a number of the country. Sorry, now 1 2 3 is the languages, and A B C D your countries. To match the column, your answer already given us. The English is a United Kingdom is a different country and different names, so match your column. And next one, the history of the Indian writers. The page number is 16. The history Indian writers. So Indian produced many great writers. India produced many great writers who the left an impression on the whole generation and even inspired the coming generation by their writing. So read the description and the name, write the help from the given clue. So the given clue of first one, he was one of the greatest novelists and the poets of the India. He wrote Vande Mataram, the national song of India. So first one is the question: who is the r- writing the song of the Vande Mataram, the national song of India? So the writer Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. For your answer, first one, you have look at this picture. It's called Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And second one, he was one of the greatest literary figures of the modern Hindi literature. Modern Hindi literature. His story, early poetry, the social the of his time. The your name is Premchand. Name is Premchand. Third one, she was the well known the Hindi poets after the called the modern Meera. Is called as a modern Meera. She was given the Janpith Award is 1982. Janpith Award is 1982. Name is called Mahadevi Verma. Mahadevi Verma is the third one. And fourth one, she was the prominent in Hindi poets whose the writing used by the very emotionally charged. She composed the primary is the Veeras, one of the nine ras. The use of the mostly is the Veeras. Your answer is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. His name is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Fifth one. Fifth one, his the story and the novel speak for the themselves. His work represent rural Bengali society and often wrote against the social superstitions and the opposition. His name is Sarath Chandra Chatterjee. Your name is Sarath Chandra Chatterjee is the fifth one. And sixth one, he was one of the most famous figures in the modern Hindi literature. He was one of the four pillars of the tradition in Hindi literature. Tradition of Hindi literature, Jai Shankar Prasad. Your name is Jai Shankar Prasad. And seventh one, he is the considered as one of the major poet of the and school of the Hindi literature. Is the mostly wrote in Hindi, influenced by Sanskrit. Sumit, Sumitra Nandan Pant. Sumitra Nandan Pant Chhayavat schools in Hindi literature. He the mostly wrote in Hindi influenced by the Sanskrit Sumitra Nandan Pant. And number 8, he was one of the key figures in the history of Indian literature. However, he was the unrecognized during his life. He wrote the astrology against social injustified the explanation in the society. Suryakant Tripathi, other nickname is Nirala. Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. Next one is a computer virus. The young scientist for the computer virus. A computer virus is a small software program. Computer virus is a small software program to spread from the computer to another and to interfere with the computer operation. Interfere to the with the computer operation. It cannot corrupt or delete data on the computer. Use the email program to spread itself to other computers of even erase everything on the hard disk itself to other computers of even erase the everything on the hard disk. So first one use in 1983, he was the first person to offer a definition of the term computer virus. Virus. So answer is Freed point. Freed point. And second one also the known as the how are you virus. It how are you virus, it the arrives on the computer is an attachment to an email. It affect the computer running Microsoft Window. Sirecam. The answer is Sirecam. And third one, it is the program that the damage or compromise that the security in the computer. Typically it's the release on the someone emailing it to you. It may be arrive in the form of the joke program of the software of some sort. Trojan. As the answer is Trojan. And next one, fourth one, it is a computer virus that the actively the attack on the antivirus program or program in the effect to prevent the dictations. Retrovirus. And fifth one, this is a Trojan have was the internet virus hoax but later become in the true Trojan. All for free AOL and number of 4 and free. And six one, these are the parasite the computer program that the replicate what do not affect it other computer program file. They can create the copies on the same computer or can send the copies to other computer via network. They often the spread via IRC, internet relay chat, the worms. The virus name is worm, WORMS, worm. In 1987, one of the most common virus we detected that the activated every Friday, the 13th, affecting both exe and the com file and the deleting any program you are run on that day. Jasher Milan. Jasher Milan. So complete for the 17 number of page. Start for the next page. Life saving machine. Young scientist. The life saving machine. Page number is 19. Page number 19. So the today the thousand of the life get saved across the world because of the amazing instrument that make the diagnosis and treatment earlier and the quicker, and the fact the modern doctor depend a lot on these life saving machine. So given of the take the help from the given the clue and complete for the sentence for these the 1895 the German scientist William Röntgen discovered the X-ray. Doctor start using the X-ray within the few months. This is the machines use the X-ray for the internal diagnosis of the human body. Any crack, any internal part of the film, and click the photo is called as the X-ray. So it's called as the X-ray machine. And second one, these the machine purify blood for the patient who cannot normally remove the blood urea through urine because of the kidney failure. The hemodiagnosis machine use of the hemodiagnosis machine is not pass out through of the urine for the patient's urine because of the kidney failures. And third one, this machine is a larger tube shaped magnet. It uses the magnetic waves to get the image of the internal organs and the non classified tissues. It's called the magnetic resonance. The imaging machine is called as MRI. It's called as MRI is a short form. And fourth one, this machine is dictate hydrose the cancer cells inside the body by the examining the gamma rays the immediate from the radioactive glucose samples inject into the blood stream in the postrum imagine the technology tomography machine. tomography machine. And fifth one, in 1972 British scientists Gorofida Housefly developed the computerized technology CT scanner and CT scan. So that is the cloud taker the picture of in the internal organs of the body. Internal organs of the body, it the use of the X-ray and the computer is create the detailed image of the internal organs of the body. It's called as a CT scan machine. CT scan machine. And last one is the sixth one is the ultrasound machine. Use of the ultrasound machine. It is a use for the medical diagnosis to look of the femurs, the analysis bone structure of examining the health of the Fotis, Doctor Karl Tenders of the Austria first wrote in the paper on this the diagnosis 1942. 1942 and the proof and Donald of the Scotland developed the application in the 1950. The ultrasound machine. Use of the last one is the ultrasound machine. Is a 90 page of the complete and last one is a 20 numbers of page. The national park and the sanctuary. The national park and sanctuaries mostly use of our wild animals safe. So there are the many national park and the wildlife sanctuaries in our country. So dear students, complete for this part, and I send you the I send you the full answer sheet. So complete your note copy and send me. Thank you.